Build robots, build people, build community. That's our motto. We don't just stop at our high school. We take the impact out to others in our community. We expose children to robotics at the annual Lunar New Year and Art and Wine festivals, sparking their interest in the field of STEM. This gives them a window of opportunity to discover our robotics team and join in the future, whether it's at Taylor Middle School or at Mills High School. In addition to having our own booth at festivals, we make a difference in the community by assisting with the management of other stands and helping to keep the event clean by picking up trash. Taylor Middle School is a school that is understaffed and underfunded. It lacks the resources for the students to pursue their passions in STEM. Noticing how they had no one to provide the resources for STEM extracurriculars, we decided to establish the Taylor Robotics program.
We registered 4 teams of 7 to 9 students each in FLL so they can have the experience of participating in competitions while equipping them with academic skills along with soft skills. They will attend competition in late spring.
Alright, so as you may already know, Taylor FLL is a program where we build and code Lego robots. So the 2 main technical goals that our middle schoolers have to do is that first they have to write block code for their robots. It's very similar to Scratch or other really basic coding programs, but they get hands-on experience with things like making the robot's motors move to make it go forward, or controlling the motors for specific arm attachments that they build.
I think the main thing I've taught them is about sensors. So we explored how color sensors and distance sensors worked, and we also experimented with them in the design. And they're currently using color sensors right now to help the robot complete its tasks.
In 2022, we presented at the WRRF about branding, logos, and imagery. This year, we got invited back to present again because they found our presentation notable. At WRRF, we also engaged with other teams and gained insight on how other teams operate. In our team, Boba sticks together, and that's why we build people, build robots, and build community.